2014, 35 and over, DAC, championship game.
Man, what are the keys to success for you?
Very simple. I just think we play hard. If we play hard, I think we got a good chance of winning. You know, it's sad to kind of be the favorite going in, but if we play hard and play some good D, you know, that's where you win all the championships on the defensive end. Play some good D, we'll come out with the W.
What are your keys to success for this evening?
Well, I think we got to play to our bigs' advantage. I mean, we have a little big help, but they're going to be fast. They get good guard play, being as the league's taking our guard out for the championship game. You know, it's going to be a little tough for us. They're going to run the ball. We got to try to slow the game down and pound it down low.
The teams are the Professionals versus AND1. Professionals were the reigning champs, and AND1 came here to win the game this evening. Professionals started out hot, but so did the challenger AND1. AND1 came in hitting shots to go toe-to-toe with the champions, the Professionals. Towards the end of the first half, the game went back and forth, and the score was almost tied at halftime. Going into the second half, AND1's philosophy was to pull away, take the lead up to maybe 15 or 17, but unfortunately, they were not able to. The Professionals came out with great D, and man, did they make some shots. Not only did they make shots, but the rim was very kind to the Professionals. Down the stretch, probably leading into the last 10 minutes of the game, AND1's offense turned the corner. The captain, Mike Evans, got back in rhythm, as well as the supporting cast. Everyone on the team in the last 10 minutes for AND1 hit some big shots. The Professionals continued to play well, and once again, the rim stayed very kind to them. The battle continued. It came down to the last 5 minutes. Last 5 minutes of the game, the Professionals made all their free throws. AND1 probably made 50%, but AND1's captain, Mike Evans, made some clutch two-point shots down the stretch. The Professionals did all they could with a great team effort, gained the lead, but unfortunately they fell a little short. Evans, as well as the supporting cast, including Mike Calcaterra, Andy Kuro, as well as Pat O'Keefe, everybody made big shots, big free throws. Congratulations to both teams. What a game.
How was Monday when you went, man? All right. Right here, let's do what y'all want to do. AND1.
Post-game interviews. Tell us what went on down at the stretch there.
They were making some crazy shots, so we had to lock down the defense a little bit, and we came up with a few big plays at the end, like driving and dishing, and then some free throws down the stretch. So,
Mike Evans has been a good leader all year, and you know, he's our quarterback out there. He slows things down when they need to and pushes it when we have to. It's a team effort. We played 8 guys tonight like we have all season, and it's a team effort.
I'm winning, man. Arms in the air, that's how I'm feeling, man.